Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix segment import failed YouTube shorts. So first of all you have to do is open your YouTube app on your phone and click on this plus icon on the bottom. From here you can select any video from the video section, go to the video section. From here all you have to do is add the media from your phone. Once you have added the media, if it is showing you that it is fix the segment or fix segment import failed YouTube shorts kind of problem, then what you have to do is roll down the quality of the video. If the video is 1080p, for example, if your video is in 1080p resolution, you can turn it down to 720p resolution. Once you turn it down, you can do it with any editing software. You can do it with CapCut, you can do it with any other software. So after turning your video from 1080p to 720p, then your problem will be fixed. And that's how to fix segment import failed YouTube shorts. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.